Okay, time to put it together in our riff. You're going to alternate 4 times on each chord before switching. Listen to me, then give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's basically how you play the riff. There's just one more thing to add in now. Each time you play the second string with your second finger, you're also going to play the third string with your first finger. Absolutely everything else stays the same. Listen to me, then try it out. One, two, three, four. That's actually everything. You can play the song on your own and move on when you're ready. Again, don't worry about making it perfect before moving on. Practice this a few times each day and it'll be great in no time.